Good day everyone. So for today, let me teach you on how to permanently delete all the files that you already deleted in your desktop or in your laptop. So it's very simple. You just need to look for recycle bin. So if the recycle bin is not present in your desktop area, so you just simply search for recycle bin in the settings, recycle bin, this one, then click that. After that, you will be seeing all the files that you already deleted here. So these are all the files that you already deleted. Okay, so if you want to permanently delete it, in order to lessen the space or in order to increase the space in your desktop, you just simply need to right click and then just simply click empty recycle bin. So once you empty the recycle bin, this is what happened. Are you sure you want to permanently delete all of these items? Just simply click yes. And then after that, once you click yes, uh, there will be a deleting progress. As you can see here, I have 2,856 items in my recycle bin. Imagine if I delete all these files permanently, my storage will increase, so I can save another files. Okay, so wait for it to be completed. So it's already 78%. So a lot of files and different item type will be deleted already. Okay, so my recycle bin is now already empty, so I can now add more files in my computer. Okay, so that's it for today. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe in our YouTube channel.